So we have few other things as well, which is app clone beta version, install shortcut, run shortcut, force anything. So let me give you an example of what app clone does. So if we click on app clone, and if you just open any app like Notes, this is our phone, and you know what, same thing happens in their phone. It opens Notes as well. If you go in and open phone dial in their phone, phone dial gets opened as well. Okay, so similarly, if you open any other app like calculator, this is a real calculator, okay, and that gets opened in their phone as well, and this doesn't require any internet as well, which is such a cool thing. And you can close this up, and you can go back. So this is what app clone does. It runs a shortcut, and whatever you are having in your phone, that gets opened in their phone. You can make it a little more faster by adjusting the things in the shortcut. So this is the only module that uses a shortcut, and it's totally optional, up to you. I don't want you guys to be, I personally don't like shortcuts, but I want, but this thing can only be achieved by a shortcut. I could have made a fake app of the iOS, and but the thing which you are seeing, you saw this, that is done from the real apps of your phone, so which is a cool thing. So now next we have something called as force anything. If I long press and click on settings, suppose I want to force a picture of a famous Indian cricketer called Virat Kohli. So if I just go in, input my the URL, just I'll as Virat, and if I just save it, so currently we have, if we swipe up, this goes. If I just tap, this is the default one. So it also has all these options where it should directly open in Safari, open Safari app, and then do that. So that I'll be explaining you in the separate section. So suppose we have something called as best cricketers. Okay, they search best cricketers in their real Safari page. Okay, and they are scrolling and tap. If they randomly tap somewhere like here, if they tap here, all you got to do is just click on force. What happens is it creates a new tab. It runs a shortened URL version of whatever you have used, and it opens this one. So you can force anything using this. It's up to your imagination. If you do a right swipe, it does the second URL which you have, which is mentioned, which is by default google.com. So you can totally customize this. It's up to you. Swipe right, swipe down, swipe left, open directly in Safari. So open directly in Safari means that you have to be there in Safari. If you're not in Safari, then you can select this option, open Safari app, and then do this. If you want to do it from Spotlight, you can experiment this out. So it won't open Safari, it will open directly from Spotlight. So all these things you can work on it. Trigger mechanism, whether you want to trigger by a watch, volume, tap, whatever. Next, coming on to the install shortcut section. So here you can configure the links of your shortcut. So you can give the link of the shortcut, and that for example, in our case, if I just go in, open shortcuts, and if I just get the URL of my shortcut, suppose if I want to install this one in Spectator's phone, I just click on, yep, and if I just go in, I just have to paste the link of the shortcut, yep, and if I click on done, and if you click on install shortcut and just tap, then it opens the short URL. Automatically your link is converted to short URL. It tries to add in this one, and it goes back to the home screen. Now all you got to do is just if you take spectator's phone, all you got to do is just press this and click on add shortcut. Since it's already added, this thing comes up. So this is the only step which is kind of overriding. So currently you can install it, does all that, but you have to take their phone and do that one step where you have to click, you have to tap on the add shortcut. Okay, so it goes back to the home screen anyway, so spectator might not suspect anything. You just have to take their phone, click on add shortcut, and kind of complete the setup. So regarding the run shortcut thing, so here you can add MAPP, and if you just tap here, it kind of opens Safari and it runs a shortcut. So here you can see it takes a bit of time, but it kind of tries to run the shortcut, and it comes back to the home page. So if you just see this, you just have to take spectator's phone, just do this one and click on open. That's it. I'm trying to automate this thing. So currently the shortcut is running. So instead of having to do the NFC thing and other things, you can just click on the Safari, click on like you can automate the things. It automatically opens Safari, runs you the shortcut. All you got to do is just take the phone for a split second and just click on open. Just open the recent tab and click on open, and it kind of runs the shortcut on their phone instead of you having to use the NFC or anything of such sort. So these are the main updates regarding the module thing. I'll be going on deep in the upcoming videos, and also I'll be sharing you the troubleshooting section where you might not be seeing the SpiritX app in probably your Apple account, say having the same Apple account devices, how you can connect with that one, and what's the reason why in the phone you are testing you are not seeing the Spirit again. It's a simple change that you have to do while testing the phone. I'll be shooting in-depth video of each things like creating a routine and all the other stuff in the upcoming video. So see you all in the next video.